My name is Willie Jimenez. I'm from New York. I'm 34. Recently left the Navy. Spent the last 3 years at the Rocky Mountain College of Art and Design, and now I have a scholarship to come here. This is my first time coming to Brainstorm. I didn't know what to expect really. The first week here was like a big shock. Like I thought it was going to be a basic course, and it wasn't. So the name's really deceiving, but I really enjoyed it. Here they expected a lot more, and they'll judge you for everything. Like the lesson could be on one thing, but your critiques could be on anything and everything, and I wasn't ready for that. You're not doing homework, you're doing like projects every week. Where in college it would be a project at the end of the term. There's the whole college experience about like moving to a different town or whatever. I've never been to California. That was interesting in itself. I got to go to CTN and I visited a couple of the movie studios. If you're on the fence whether you should take the class or not, you should definitely take it, because I felt like I was on the fence. I thought it was going to be too basic, like because I've done comic books and illustrations before this, so I'm like it's rendering one, but it definitely taught me a lot. You already have students from Art Center coming here. People from finishing Fang Zhu and coming here. What else do you want to improve, really? Brainstorm, design, solve, learn. Say it again. Brainstorm, design, solve, learn. I've seen the outtakes. I'm not doing this again.